We're about to start working with Git locally. Before we jump into the commands, let me give a high-level overview of how Git manages our files. There are 3 areas Git uses to manage our files locally. First is your workspace. This is also called your working directory. It's simply a folder on your computer where your files live. When you create a file, edit a file, or delete a file, you're making changes in your workspace. At this point, Git can see that something has changed, but you haven't told it to do anything about it yet. Next, we have the staging area. This is a middle step where you place the specific changes you want to include in your next commit. A commit is like saving your work, but instead of just saving a single file, it captures a snapshot of your entire project at that point in time. Every commit records what changed, who made the change, and a message describing why. Not every change you make has to go into a commit straight away. The staging area lets you pick and choose. When you run git add, you're moving changes from your workspace into the staging area. Finally, there's the local repository. This is where your committed history lives. So when you run git commit, you're taking everything in the staging area and saving it as a permanent snapshot in your local repository. So the flow is, you make changes in your workspace, stage them with git add, and then you commit them to your local repository with git commit.